What if you never had to fix a minor bug again? What if an AI cloud read your GitHub issues, write the code, commit the changes and push to Git repo for you? Welcome to Naga Automates. In this video, I will show you how to build a true AI junior developer that connects to GitHub, read issues, fixes code, and even push changes back automatically. Don't worry, if you are new, I will explain every line as we go. Here is the AI GitHub workflow. AI fetches bug report, junior developer read issues and fixes code, writes correct code, senior reviewer commits and creates new branch, push to GitHub. Here is the simple calculator code. When we run this, it got 0 division error. So let's fix this error using our AI agent automatically. For that, push this code to our Git repo. You can see same code here. Before start the coding, we need a GitHub personal access token to read GitHub files and issues. For that, go to settings, click on developer settings, click on personal access token, give token name, give any description, and click on generate token. Copy this code, paste in your .env file. Let's code. First, we import the required Python libraries and modules. We use OS to handle environment variables, subprocess to run Git commands, and CrewAI agent, task, crew, and process to build our AI team. We also bring Google Generative AI, the tool decorator to create custom tools, and GitHub to talk GitHub's API. Finally, we load.env help us to load secret keys from a .env file. Next part, configuration. Now we load our environment variables. This is where we keep sensitive info like API keys and tokens safe. We grab the Gemini API key and GitHub token. Then initialize Gemini as our language model. Here is our first custom tool, fetch get GitHub issue. This tool connects to GitHub, grab an issue by number, and it returns its title and description. Think of it like our AI's way of reading bug reports. Next, we create tool number 2, read GitHub file. This tool fetches a file from GitHub repo, decodes it, and returns the content. We also add a safety check so we don't overload the AI with huge files. Now we add tool number 3, write local file. This tool overwrites a local file with new code. It checks if the file exists first so our AI doesn't accidentally write to a fake path. Tool number 4, commit and push. This tool creates a new branch, stages changes, commits them and pushes to GitHub. Basically, it automates the Git workflow so our AI can handle version control. Next, we are going to create agents. We define two agents. The junior developer reads, issue, check files and writes fixes. The senior reviewer handles git commits and pushes changes. The two agents act like a mini developer team. Next, we are going to define tasks. Coding task tells the junior developer to fetch, issue, rate the file and fix the bug locally. The PR task tells the senior reviewer to commit those changes and push them to GitHub. Finally, we assemble our crew, the junior developer and senior reviewer, and run the tasks sequentially. We print out the results so we can see the final pull request package. And that's it. We built a simple AI workflow that reads GitHub issues, fixes code and pushes changes automatically. Save the file. Let's run it. The AI is connecting to my GitHub repo. It reads issue. The junior writes the error handling code. The senior developer checks the code and run git commands to create new branch and push the code to GitHub. Let's check our new code. Go to GitHub and open your repository, and you can see here it create a new branch and the code is updated. This is the future of software engineering. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI coding tutorials.